15 points. Couldn't be us, bestie. Oh, there we go. This is what we were being warned about. I was wondering what I could hear. You guys hear that? You guys, am I the only one hearing this right now? Hello? Anybody? Okay, I could definitely hear something. I can definitely hear something. A choo-choo sound in the distance, exactly.
Hello?
Yep, it's a train, for sure. It's a train. It's the Apollo Vera train, raiding on in. Hello, and goodbye. A bicycle built for 48. There they go, on their bicycle built for 48. Goodness me, they have made quite the entrance here. If they could just turn up at where we actually are now, that would be really helpful. Oh my god, okay, they have arrived. Hello? Apollo Vera? Hello? Thank you so much for raiding. How are you? How is your stream? My goodness, that is a lot of people coming in with you. I hope you are doing well. Darcy has shouted you out. Thank you very much. Everybody go give Apollo Vera some love. I'm guessing in the Makers and Crafters category and Makers and Crafting category, and then coming over here, you were doing Lego as well. I hope your stream went well. I really appreciate you dropping on in, slamming on in more like in that crazy train you've arrived on. Wowzers. If you don't know me, guys, hello. I'm Matt Square Guy, TSG, Squigglebutt, Mr. S, Old Street Cheeks, the list goes on. I think Korn has been calling me Oi You as well. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not even sure what that was about, Korn. There we go, Oi You as well. Yeah. And I'm a Lego streamer for the most part these days. Very little game streams happening around here, but they do happen occasionally. So, you know, don't be too surprised if you see me playing Splatoon or something on stream occasionally. But Lego streams for the most part. We're currently building the Lego bookshop, which Barnstar sent me as a birthday present. By the way, Barnstar, I'm not sure if I've said, but thank you very much for sending me this set. It's really amazing. I can't believe I haven't thanked you until now, but thank you very much. I already thanked you. That's funny. I don't remember thanking you. Shags is going to go for a lurk. Enjoy the rest of the build and fingers crossed you're feeling better soon. Thank you so much, Shags. I appreciate that. You enjoy your lurk, my friend. Barnstar gifting a sub to Apollo Vera. Well deserved, Barnstar. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Enjoy your subscription, enjoy your badge and your emotes, Apollo. Amazing stuff. And Prawn Nation and Stalking Tiger 18, thank you so much for the follows as well. Welcome to the Square Gang. Square Gang, rise up. That's it. I don't have anything to follow that up with, just rise up. But my brain is scattered today. But I appreciate the follows all the same. I think we can officially say that we're at 2,000 followers now as well. We haven't dropped below 2,000, so that's worthy of a. I didn't want laughter, I wanted applause. That's worthy of applause. That is worthy of applause. We've finally properly reached 2,000 followers. Deranged Enderman, I'm sorry, my dude. I don't know enough about you to do a bad impression of you. So, Darcy, would you like to refund those points? I know we say no refunds, but I mean, you said yourself you haven't been around here much lately, so I can't say that I really know anything about you. Bad Bradley the Lurker, thank you for the host as well. I appreciate that very much. It tells all the people that watch the same streams as you that I'm worth watching, so I really appreciate it. And Buzz Lightbeard has summoned a mighty eldritch being to our stream. I'm not sure if you folks are ready for this, but here it comes anyway.
Big. Do you see these? You remind me today of a small Mexican chihuahua. Damn! He's dead. There they are, Albert. Faces of stone.
Lord, I can hear you perfectly. doesn't get any bluer.
We are like the dreamer who dreams and then lives inside the dream. But who is the dreamer? What the hell?
Are you looking at the camera, Lynchy? Kind of are. There you go. That's a bit better. Well, there you have it. You've now met Lynchy. The Lynchy accepts no substitutes. If you don't know who Lynchy is, Lynchy, or David Lynchy Mimsy von Herman, is an eldritch being whose mortal form was brought to our realm by no other than the Queen of Furbies herself, Lovely. You can check out her page by following that handy dandy link that I've posted there. Let's